Akwa mu metụrụ gị n'obi iju agwụla m ike. Arịrị ụwa m ole onye m ga-ebesara. Iju ụwa m ole onye m ga-akọsara. Ọbasi bi n'igwe oyi na-afụkwa ife na-eme. Akwa mu metụrụ gị n'obi iju agwụla m ike. Ewo ahụsiela m anya ije elu ụwa, ọ bụrụ ka o si adị. Ụwa m ọ bụ ụwa afụfụ ka ọ bụ ụwa akwa. Ọnọdụ m metụrụ gị n'obi n'iju ụwa na-akpụ m isi.
Joke in this at all. There's no joke in this at all. I just told you that Daluchi was about taking her life because of you too, and you're here joking about it. Auntie Ozioma, please have a little conscience.
What do you mean have a little conscience? And what did you bring her here to do? You should have allowed her to kill herself now.
No, don't talk like that. Eh? No, now. Oh. Thank you very much, Amarachi. Thank you for saving her life. Thank you.
Hey, this is what you would have said since now.
But do you know you are very selfish? Very, very selfish. Eh? You just wanted to take your own life. If you are not useful, if your life is not useful to you, don't you know that you are useful to my daughter and me? Eh? Okay, look at it now. If you don't like your life, you just go and die like that. Who will be sweeping the house for us? Who will be cleaning the house? Who will be cooking? Who will be working in the farm for us, cleaning the compound and bringing in farm produce?
I wonder.
Did you think about that at all before taking your own? You see why I say you are very selfish?
Very wicked.
Eh? This is very wicked of you.
Auntie Ozioma, is this all you have to say?
Oh, what else do you want me to say? Start crying now. Why did you want to kill yourself? Nonsense! Was that not how the mother died? Tell me. It runs in the blood. This is their signature tune. What do you expect? Come on.
My friend, get back! Get back there!
Eh? No way. Go back to the house.
Yes, Mama.
Go and collect all those dirty clothes and start washing them right now.
Yes, Mama.
Before I destroy your face.
This is unfair.
Shut up your mouth.
Auntie, this is unfair. This is not nice.
Come on, go there.
Shut
Shut up. I'm not talking to you. You good for nothing.
up your mouth. Come on, get out.
Rubbish.
Shut up your mouth.
Look at this rat. Look at this.
I will pack some for your
Try it. I will deal with you.
You say wait.
Try it.
What did you say?
I will deal with
Get
you.
out.
Rubbish.
Nonsense.
Try it.
Let me see your
Nonsense.
two left legs in this
You
compound.
cannot do me anything.
Come on, get out.
Like mother, like daughter.
Like idiot, like idiot.
Come here, let me tell you.
Like idiot, like idiot. Nonsense.
Look at her. Lifesaver. Want to come and save her again here.
Mama.
Nonsense.
Mama. Just imagine. Like. Mama, wait. It's not even funny. Hey. Mama, she actually wanted to kill herself. That idiot.
Without taking my permission from me, she didn't even let me know. Nonsense.
And
she thinks her life is in my hand. She thinks she can do anything with her life. She cannot.
And this one now came to fight for her. Mama, she poured me sand.
Lifesaver, let me see her 2 left legs in this compound again. Let me see her 2 left legs in this compound again.
What have I done to deserve all this? Auntie Ozi is the reason my life is like this. Hasn't she done enough?
I don't understand. That's the question I keep asking myself. She took your mother's life and now she is bent on taking yours. Why is this woman like this? If she could treat her own sister, her blood, the way she did, then you, I don't understand.
Please, Ama, please.
Daluchi, it's okay. Stop.
It's not even good there. I don't want to remember everything she did to my mother.
Daluchi, stop it.
If it's God's will that I give life another shot, like you said, then this phase will pass.
Amen. It's okay. Stop.
They look me. Where's your mother? Mama di mama. Mama di mama. My soon to be mother-in-law.
Eh? Achebe, my in-law.
Ma.
You brought something for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am. Mama, hope you have not forgotten our bargain on instrumental payments for Daberu's bride price.
Yes, now. How can I forget?
And you remember that my friend who lives abroad always sends me money?
Who in this village does not know that, eh? Yes, now. My in-law. The only man that brings money from abroad. Dollar.
Yes.
Omena dollar.
You can say that again.
Ha, big boy.
Mama. Mama. No problem, it's yours.
No, don't expose this kind of a thing.
Why?
Bad people there around though.
Mama, I beg you, don't forget your own part of the deal for Daberu.
Are they mad? How can I? You are the only suitable for my daughter in this village. I never see anybody. Now only you are the see. Big boy.
Mama.
Omena dollar.
Now me.
Hey, you brought yam for me.
Yes, ma'am. Mama, in that case, I will be back home. Yes.
Okay.
So I must take my leave now.
If you feel bring dollar this time, bring her.
Small challenge. You, Daluchi, that require you. You know what? Everywhere goes cheap because you know why? When you bring money come, not if you do.
Okay, me and I have power.
Now me, Mama.
Achebe. The man is dollar. Yeah, okay. So, you have been giving my son-in-law to be attitude, eh?
No. Mama, I did not give him any attitude.
Shut up. Are you replying me?
No.
Eh?
No.
Okay. You see this thing you are picking now, eh? If I see sack, how much more sand or stone, I will gather plenty cookie for you to eat. You will eat it for days. Stupid girl. See who gives somebody attitude. What do you think you have? Nonsense. Did you say anything?
No, ma.
Were you going to say something?
No.
Mind yourself.
No.
Anytime I'm not touching you, you are not feeling like that thing is one thing. Shut. Finish that thing quick, oh.
Yes, ma.
Oh, Poco. Come on, Poco. This boy, you are too much. You say you are coming back. Come again. I'm waiting. No, even. How much? What? She explained to you. Hey! Let him come back. I'm waiting. I'm so expecting.
Akụkọ ụwa m, ole onye m ga-akọsara? Ịjụ ụwa m, ole onye m ga-ebesara? Ọbasi bi n'igwe o, ị na-afụkwa ife na-eme. Akwa m metụ gị n'obi, ịjụ ụwa gwụla m.
Now, wow, Daluchi, I don't just understand your aunt. What kind of person is she? Eh? Just because Achebe sent her money, she now wants to give Dabere's hand in marriage. And I'm very sure that money doesn't belong to him. I'm sure they send him money just to do one or two things in the village, and he's going to use it to get married to Dabere. What kind of a person is your aunt? Eh? This is so shameful, oh.
The annoying part is he's even paying instrumentally. Like, where does that happen?
Are you serious?
If my father was alive, he would never accept such. Never.
My God. Hi. Achebe, what are you doing?
Oh, it seems like I'm doing. Better leave me alone.
Why are you videoing the land?
Videoing the land? Is it your land?
Achebe, stop it.
Stop what?
Stop what you're doing now.
You know you and I are cat in this community.
Don't
provoke me. I'll hit you.
Hit me. It is your family members that are cats and rats.
Look at this make
Try it.
If I hit,
try it.
don't stop my business. I'm busy now. I'm trying to make money for Dabere's wedding, you know.
Look at your head like ritual calabash.
Look at this make feeling funky.
Nonsense.
See, I'm feeling.
Oh,
boring. I'm done. Let me go and make my money.
You're seeing him doing this thing. You're not even saying anything. Why are you begging me?
I know it's my aunt that sent him. Don't worry, just leave him.
Look at your legs, Ogologo. Leave me alone.
It's okay. It's okay.
How can you just come into this land and start videoing the farm?
Just leave him, please.
Stop. Dabere, I'm talking to you. You slapped me! Dabere! What is going on? Mama! What happened? Mama, Dalu slapped me because I asked her to help me wash my clothes. You did like... Mama! Mama is a lie! Mama is a lie! Mama is a lie!
Mama, do you know what just did? Eh? Who gave birth to you? Onya eh? Mama! Mama, I did not slap her. You did not slap her? She's lying. I did not slap her.
Mama, she's calling me a liar in your presence. She slapped me twice, here and here. Twice.
Mama, I did not slap her. She's lying. Mama, she's lying. Mama, my neck, Mama, please. Mama, I know you have heard this severally. I want to say it here and now again. I hate you. I hate you, and I hate you, and I hate you, and I can even strangle you with my bare hands.
Mama,
Do you want to die?
No, Mama. Mama, beg on.
You should know your business in this house.
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
Otherwise, I will show you the hard way. Mind yourself.
Yes. Ah! God!
It's okay. Hmm? When you come inside, I'll give you juice. Stop crying, okay?
Thank you, Mama.
Idiot. One more here.
Now listen to me. The same way your mother lost to my mother will be exactly the same way you will lose to me. So whenever I say something, you do it exactly as I say it. Did you hear what I said? I am talking to you. Did you hear me? Idiot.
Amarachi. If you know your name is Daberechi, hiss at me again. Hiss at me. It's me.
You have to carry these 2 blocks, eh? If any of them falls down and breaks, you are going to replace it with 20 blocks. I don't care how you get it.
Auntie Yozi, what's my offense this time?
You are asking me your offense. Can't you see my daughter crying here? Eh?
What do I have to do with that?
Shut up your mouth. Were you not the one that sent Amara to beat me up?
Me?
Hi. So you now gang up with your friend and set my daughter up here? Eh?
I don't know what she's talking about.
Stop lying. You were the one that sent her.
I did not gang up with anybody.
Anyway, for what your friend did to my daughter, you are going to remain like this, carrying these blocks until I decide to set you free. Don't let any of them fall. Stupid girl. Idiot.
Idiot.
Let's go. Bring the chair, let's go. Keep carrying it, oh. If you drop it, you're in trouble. One more here. Doctor of a coward.
No fear. Doctor of a coward.
Idiot.
Idiot.
What did you do to Daluchi?
Oh! That's one. He needed to see what I did to her. I had to squeeze her hands very well. I dealt with her. Next time, she will never forget what I did to her in a hurry.
Do you know I was the one that faced the consequence?
How?
I carried blocks all through the day just because of your action.
You did what?
Yes.
I'm sorry. I was just trying to fight for you. I'm sorry.
I know. But beating Dabere is not the best option. It will rather worsen my situation. Please don't do it again. Please.
I know. But I needed to teach her a lesson. Don't you understand?
You are not the one to teach her any lesson. Allow me to teach her the lesson. Please. Please, I'm begging you. Don't touch Dabere again, please.
She shouldn't insult me too. If she tries it again, I will deal with her. This is just the genesis. I will break her legs this time around. How can she be talking to me anyhow? And her mother will be in support of it. I won't take that rubbish. I will not take that rubbish. And she knows she's coming to me.
I should be your boy. Your in-law to be. Mama di mama.
How now?
Fine, thank you, ma.
Welcome.
Yes, ma. Mama, I brought you good news.
That one not the fear me now. You be good boy. So
Yes,
good
ma'am.
boy, they always bring good news.
Yes. But first, bring chairs. My friends are outside, so we can sit down.
Your friends?
Yes.
They'll come.
Yes. Those ones that came from abroad.
Hey, they're here.
Yes, they're outside. Bring chairs.
Daberechi! Dabere, bring chairs so we have to sit down. We didn't hear about them. We never seen them before.
I mean this. Kelechi.
Kele. Okay. Welcome.
Thank you.
Ah.
And this is Williams, Kelechi's friend.
Hi. Welcome, Williams.
Good day, ma'am.
Now, welcome to my house. When you tell me say the bring kind of people to my house. Okay.
Achebe,
Yes, my love.
are you thinking what I am thinking?
What are you thinking?
Why will you be joking like this? Eh?
Is your mind?
You've been paying my bride price
Yes.
in bits. You
I'm
should
not
have told
complaining.
me you've been paying it for your friends now.
No,
This one here.
Nothing, Kamo. Nothing, Kamo. I've been paying your bride price for myself. I want to marry you. You're my love, now. You're my pinu.
I beg, tell me.
No.
What in the country?
Mama, let me do the explanation. My friend and I run an agro company. And being that we needed to invest in Nigeria, we asked Achebe here to find us a good land for cultivation. That is why we are here.
Internal say, na me dey in charge of land affairs for this village.
Mama, let him land.
Oh, well, Achebe here told us that you have a land for us that befits our kind of business.
Na only one land we get to. That one where Daluchi they cultivate.
Yes.
Now there we dey get the food where we dey eat for this house. No fit sell am now.
I don't think there should be any need for long talk. Why don't we talk money here?
Talk money.
Ego.
Achebe, wait. It's not money.
Yes,
Not
money.
money. Why are we sitting down here? Let's talk the money now. The money matter now keep me where I dey so.
Well. We'll bring an enticing deal. If you show us the land and we like it, we're going to pay the sum of $5,000.
In dollars?
Dollars, yes.
Wait. Michon, we're talking about money. Calm down.
Mama. Mama.
Hey, don't talk to
2.4, 2.6 million naira. You become a millionaire.
Wait. You talk too much. So, 2 million.
Yes.
They will put 500 on top.
Yes.
Some put another 100.
Yes.
Ijiaba, Orjiakor.
Mama, we haven't seen the land.
Ha! You see this cap where they wear, sometimes they make you behave like old.
Do
man.
I know?
Eh?
Am I not a man?
You're never old now. Maybe you go, they remove her sometimes, remove them. Na old man's cap. Eh?
But
Sometimes
I'm
you go
not
behave.
old. I'm
Shut
a
up,
man
your
now.
mouth, shut up. Are you old?
I'm a young man.
Hey, you think if you don't carry them, go see them before you come here.
It's not a problem. I can take them there now.
Mama, it's not even it should not be a problem at all. See, Achebe, we'll be sitting down here waiting.
Yes, my love.
Carry them, go there, and bring them back.
I will.
Oh, wait,
For you.
oh, you know, if you don't do it fast, other people will carry them from this village to another land.
That's true.
Eh? And you know that my land is very beautiful.
Beautiful.
Very fertile.
By the water side.
Oh yeah, begin go. No waste time.
Mama,
Oh my God.
Mama, you're still
Shut up.
Mama, I'm coming for my wife. Oh.
Keke.
Ah.
Keke.
Mama, I'm coming for my wife.
Now, no one will be wahala.
Keke, bye-bye, we're waiting.
All right, bye.
Yeah.
All right, bye.
No waste time.
Mama, no problem. guys like it?
I think I love this.
Really?
Yes.
That's nice.
Does it get to that point?
To the extreme and to that other point.
I think I love this.
It's big and it's fatal.
Like, to that extent?
Yeah, to that point.
Whoa.
That point, yeah.
Like down.
Beyond it.
Down there.
Keeps
Wow,
going.
this is a huge line. Wow.
Very big and fatal.
wow.
From this point to that other point. Yeah. You get
Does it get
to the extreme. To that other point, it's very big and fatal. You like it.
I think I love this.
Not that girl, big. You
What
like
do you
it?
think?
Yeah, I like
I
it.
love
Nice,
this.
that's nice. Good.
Achebe,
This is nice.
what is going on here?
And who is she?
You know how, no level.
Okay.
She,
I said, what is happening? What is
You
going
know
on,
her
Achebe?
now, no level. She's mad at Bere's house girl. Leave her. Act like nobody's here. But
Wow.
we can see the cassava over there now.
I can see it's a huge land. I
Yes,
love
it
this.
is.
How can you bring strangers to my farmland and you tell them to ignore me?
What's she
Kelechi.
talking about?
This is my
Ignore
farm,
her.
it's my land.
Oh,
No
what's
level
she
now.
talking about?
She no get level now. Ask her. Let's talk about the land now. She has no level to this. Oh, from that point there.
So it gets to that point?
Factory can be there.
How about the extreme end?
Yes, it's still cool to that point, to the fence there.
Okay.
This is a huge land. What do you think?
It's really big.
Yeah, it's so
it
big.
suits our project. How about that pole, by that pole?
I said it's my land.
What is she talking about?
No, ask her now. She's hungry.
What do you think?
We've seen your madam.
She's hungry.
We've seen your madam, okay?
Kelechi, I'm talking to you.
I like it. I like it. I
I
like
like
it.
it.
I love
Then
it.
let's go
I
now.
love this.
Yeah.
If you like it, then let's go.
It's cool.
Okay.
It's cool. Let's go.
Let's go. Wow. This is nice. Wow.
She's hungry. Leave her. No level. No level. Leave her.
Damn, this land is huge.
You like it?
I like it.
I love it.
Man, look at my agency. You. Boy, you know you like the land.
Yeah, sure.
Achebe.
Go, man.
It's been a while, oh.
Yes, where have you been? You're back in the village.
I came a while ago.
So what's good now? Anything for your boy?
Nothing much. We are just managing our.
I beg, give me small somebody to drink something now. Please help me. Is a chair there? I hear you, Papa. Ah! Tonight, village go hear up. Thanks, oh.
Auntie! 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 Auntie!
Oh. By the time this money comes, the whole village know that a millionaire has emerged.
Oh.
Land the Anam.
Ellen, their mommy. And me, the Berechi, the daughter of a millionaire.
You know what this is? Onye?
Auntie, please, what is going on?
What kind of question is that? What does it look like that is happening? Can't you see we are enjoying ourselves? I know one lang. I know I'm a chon.
Police.
Alachi lang me chon.
Achebe came to the farm with some strangers. And they said they've already spoken to you. Please, can I know what is happening?
Auntie Ozzy, please talk to me.
Kanjukanegi. Must you know what is going on?
Very good question.
Must you know? Asere makuti.
Auntie Ozzy, please. Auntie Ozzy, please talk to me.
Come on, are you daft? Don't you have ear and eyes? Can't you see that things change? And right now, if I will go.
Exactly.
Don't you know that you should not be shouldn't just be calling me Auntie Ozzy, Auntie Ozzy. It is time for you to call me Millionaire Auntie Ozzy or Millionaire OZ.
OZ Millionaire.
Ozzy.
Mama!
Wait. Are you trying to sell my land?
Which land? That land belongs to my late sister, and I have the right to do whatever I like with it. Can you took your name here?
Auntie Ozzy, please. My late mother left that land for me, and I don't want to sell it. Please.
Who is asking for your permission?
Aye. Auntie Ozzy, I'm begging you. That's the only land I have and live on. Please don't sell it.
Too late. It's too late because I have already organized how I'm going to spend the money. Now, I don't go nisim bako we putinye. Come get see where we go. Those see ora, eh? Make it upstairs and then buy a new car. In fact, the builder has even come and told me that they just need to put pillar here and there. And
Auntie Ozzy, please. I have done so much work on that land. You can't just sell it like that, please. Please, I'm begging you, don't sell it, please.
Too late. Let me bless you first.
Mama!
Let me bless you.
Auntie Ozzy, please.
Mama!
Let me bless you.
My millionaire mother!
That's what when we have too much money, we put things like this.
We bless people. We bless people.
Don't do this to me, please.
Millionaire mama. Millionaire mama. You're blessed.
That is your own part of the money of that land.
I want to get.
Is the drink finished? Maybe she's not satisfied.
Bless her the more, Mama.
You want the blessing or you want to drink or you want to buy?
Say what you want now.
Say what? Say what?
Say what?
Say what?
Say what? Mama! She's a good mother! Mama!
That's your own part of the money of the land!
So, what exactly do we do now? Anything we have to do, let's do it. Or do you want to watch them sell your land?
The thing is, I don't even know where those men live.
Oh, at least I know where that useless Achebe lives. Let's go.
But Tamara, you know everything. I don't want my auntie's trouble.
Daluchi, your aunt has been having her way all this while. I mean, this is too huge to lose. Okay, fine. Even if you have to sell the land, then the money has to go into your pockets. And let me let you know, if your aunt succeeds in selling that land, you won't even get a kobo, not a penny. That means you lose the land and you lose the money. Is that what you want?
No.
Hey, then come, let's go now. Come, let's go. See, don't worry. Leave it to me. I will do the talking. Let's go.
Ain't got nothing to play, man.
What?
Okay. This is the time to do it. Okay. General market? Oh no. Oh no, what?
Archie.
Yes?
Hi.
What are you guys doing here?
Isn't this the girl from the farm?
Yes.
We
You suddenly can't talk anymore. Daluchi and Amara, what are you doing in my compound? When did friendship start?
Please, we came to talk to you
about nothing. Nothing.
Better be.
Actually, please excuse me.
Excuse me.
Who are those guys?
You mean those guys? My friends.
Your friends?
Yeah.
Wow. I like him. The fair one.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Oh my word.
Please introduce me to him.
Introduce you to him. Is that why you brought me here? Is that what brought you to my compound?
Reduce your voice.
As the Queen of England, introduce you to him. Please, leave my compound. You don't have respect. No regard. As I'm watching you now. Start leaving. Start leaving. Be going. Both of you leave my compound. I don't see both of you anymore.
Achebe, easy.
Bye. Bye.
Leave.
Bye.
Leave.
Take it easy. You're being too harsh.
What's going on?
That was too harsh.
What am I supposed to do? Just need to greet my normal day.
Chibi, you can be funny, man. You know what's gonna happen right now, man. Big two on that.
Oh no.
Oh no, what?
Wait now. Daluchi. Why are you angry now? Eh? Why are you walking so fast?
Can you even believe yourself? Eh? Amara, can you believe yourself? You dragged me to Achebe's house with so much action, only for you to get there and make a fool of yourself.
Is that why you're angry? I'm sorry now. Daluchi, I'm sorry. Eh? You won't blame me. It's not my fault. See, I got distracted by those cute guys. Especially the fair one with beards. Did you see how, oh my God, did you see how he looked? Hi, Daluchi, I think I have found a husband. Sorry, sorry. You see the land? We have to look for a way to get that land. You understand? You must get that land. So let's plan well. Daluchi.
Mama, there is something that keeps popping up in my head.
What's that?
Mama, instead of Achebe, why don't I marry his friend Kelechi? Yes, Mama. I will not only have direct access to Achebe's source of income, I will also return to America with Kelechi.
That's a wise idea.
You see? You see, too much sense will not kill your
This
daughter.
your head, eh?
Said.
That's a very good idea. But you see, we have to be careful so that we don't make Achebe angry until this business is sealed. Have sense.
I know, Mama. I have plenty sense. You know
I
now.
know.
But Mama, What if they travel back to the city immediately after buying the land?
No, that is not possible. So these people have come here to do business. And they won't leave until they establish the business to an extent first.
Mama, are you sure?
Of course, yes. Are they stupid?
You say so.
Of course I say so. It's here, eh?
Plenty sense is here, Mama, what are you writing?
My dear, I'm already writing the things I will use the money to buy.
Car, duplex, fish pond, AC, gas cooker, deep freezer, electric kettle, bed. Mama! Oh, Mama, you have not seen the money yet now.
Of course, it will still come now. So what's the difference?
Well, you're right. Mama, because then you go the phone never iPhone X Max. Or if you don't want to use it before.
That would be too expensive now. At least it will cost more than 10,000 naira.
Mama.
Mba.
Mama, because I can't solo one now.
Wait until the money comes. Eh? Let the money come first.
Mama, I know you will do it for me. Mama, Mama, you buy a wrapper for Mama. Mama, buy my phone.
Hurry up! Let's go, hurry up! You hear these girls again?
Hi.
What is it this time?
We come in peace and love.
So what can we do for you?
I came to talk to you about my land you're planning to buy.
Well, we have spoken to your madam about it.
She's not my madam.
Who then is she to you?
She's my aunt and stepmom.
Your aunt and stepmom?
What are you guys doing here? Do you want me to pay to Mama Daberi? And you know what that will be to you? What? You should leave here now.
I say, you know what? Leave these girls. Let's just go. Let's go.
Amara, you couldn't even say a word. That guy is so cute. Hey.
Spending our money in this village. I am on a level change.
No, Zioma. It won't go new level.
I want $1 for
You know what I've just decided? Anywhere there is party in this village, whether it is a banquet, burial, wedding, naming ceremony, anything, whether I'm invited or not, I will just carry myself to that place and begin to spray money.
Mama!
Spray money.
Mama!
Spray money.
Mama!
Just so that they will know that Ozoma's level has changed.
The millionaire!
Yeah. Why you keep that thing? You come, eh? I forgot to tell you that I don't want to see your leg in that farmland again.
What?
It is no longer yours.
Why? What is what? It shock you?
Why are you behaving as if you don't know what is happening?
Mom?
Eh?
Mama, what about my farm produce? They can't just go in vain like that.
It's not again.
Sko.
Chelu, Anna Kwakoko millions. in a cocoa farm produce.
Yeah, score now. Score.
Now, voila.
On a me. Ligo.
Yeah, they were careful. If not, we'll send you packing from this house.
It's my father's house.
It is my father's house as well.
And it is my husband's house anyway.
Where?
Your late mother was my husband's wife. Whatever belonged to her belonged to my late husband. And both of them are dead. So I am the next of kin. I have inherited everything. You see? Imoloku.
My Lord Oscar. Ozzy the millionaire.
Ozzy the millionaire.
Ozzy the millionaire. Mama ni padolo afuma wanyi bonko. Mama ni bonko. Mama ni bonko. Amara. I'll meet you at the farm. Amara. Achebe, my friend.
Your friend? I don't understand. Please, that one starts.
Started today.
Today?
Yes.
What are you doing in my compound?
Not that serious. Okay. I came to see someone.
Who?
That's your friend that came with his friend.
Williams.
Is that his name? Okay, I want to see him.
You like him?
I like him.
Before you begin like tolo. I like him. Let's be the first and last time I'll see your filthy leg in my compound to spit rubbish. You think my friend really came all the way from abroad to be with a low life like you? Mbeke, feeling funky. Obori, fianfin. Leave my compound now. And let's be the... Completely leave my compound. I don't see you here anymore.
Oh, we are not quarreling now.
Yeah. Come on, leave my compound.
We are not quarreling. Hey. God. See Achebe. Achebe called me names. Achebe insulted me. Called me fiancé. Called me Obori. Hey. Amara, you have suffered. Well, I don't blame him. I don't blame him. I ate all those insults because of love. Hey. Okay. As for Williams, I must get him. I must.
what's the meaning of all this? I thought we coming to the village was to buy this land, set up things, and what's it all about with this girl and the whole drama? Yeah?
Williams, something is not right.
And what do you mean?
Did you see that girl? She looks like someone suffering from something. If we're going to buy that land, we have to do some investigation.
Kelechi, I don't understand you. What investigation again? Did I come to this village as a detective or a lawyer?
I know, but something doesn't seem right.
And that shouldn't be our business. Don't guide me, please. Do not guide me. Let's do what we are here for. Do not guide me. Excuse me.
Auntie, good evening. Daluchi, where are you coming from? Am I talking to a non-living thing?
I went to the farm.
Which farm?
My farm.
Daluchi, you are writing a letter to trouble. Oh. You are writing a letter to trouble. And if that trouble eventually locates you, not even your dead mother can save you. What am I even saying? What can a dead woman do? What? Listen to me. This is my own time of making it. And if you want to make yourself my enemy of progress, I will deal with you. Look at me. Read my lips. I will deal with you. Yes, I heard it. Come back here. No problem. You come on.
Mama, I'm almost done paying for my bride.
Yes, I know.
I need to take her home so I can test the soup.
Let me. You're too slow.
Oh, Mama.
You don't know how to. Why are you doing counting it? Leave it. When I go inside, I count it, okay?
Are you serious?
Yes, now. Security.
No problem. Anything for my love.
Achebe, this morning now is not my problem.
Okay, it's not even my problem.
My problem is that land. When are your friends coming to pay for that land? That land they have to come and pay. That's my problem now.
The land is not a problem. My friends.
It's a problem, oh.
When I get home, I will talk to them. Tomorrow they will come and they will buy the land.
Tomorrow?
If you have more, they will buy more.
Tomorrow?
Yes, ma. Mama.
They can even come this evening and pay.
No, it's not safe that they cannot come this night. Let's wait till tomorrow.
I don't want them to change their mind, though.
No, they will not. In the morning, we'll be here.
Achebe?
Believe me.
You know I trust you.
I'm your boy.
Hey,
I'm your in-law.
Your
future in-law.
That would be nice, eh? If they... Stop touching her.
Mama, she's my property now.
No, you have not finished paying. So see, once you get those people to come and pay, I can even tell you to leave the balance.
Okay.
But I know you won't leave the balance now.
Oh, Mama. Oh.
My love. What is that? He's touching you and you're allowing him. Don't.
Come on now.
Tell him to wait now.
me of all this?
Well, I only said we can't pay for that land tomorrow. That's it.
Why?
Achebe.
Yes.
Tell me the truth, Achebe. Who is the owner of that land we're trying to buy?
Mama Dabirina.
There's something you're not telling me.
Kelechi, why all of this questioning?
We must see the documents of that land before making payment.
That's not a problem. The rightful owner of that property is late and she was Mama Dabiri's sister. What else do you want to know about the property?
That girl's mother, right?
Yes.
Tell me, who has been the person working on that land?
Daluchi na.
Until I speak to Daluchi directly, we are not paying a dime for that land.
What's wrong with this guy? Huh? Kelechi. Hey! So I will not marry Dabiri. No! My very money is there. Whether he buy the land or he doesn't buy the land, he must give my agency fee because I don't joke with my money. Ah! I beg you. Hey! I'm dead.
Let me quickly call my mother for you.
Oh, no, that won't be necessary. I want to see Daluchi. Hey.
Hi.
I'm here to see you. You've been trying to talk to me, right?
Yes.
And please, come with me.
Let me quickly spread this clothes.
Okay.
The sun has risen, the light has come, the storm is over, the pains are gone. You are the comfort.
The other day, you told me that woman was your aunt and stepmom. I didn't get it.
Yes. She's my late mother's sister and my father's wife.
Look, I know we are strangers, okay? But for some reasons, I'm interested in your story. You look like someone with a story.
If I tell you my story, will you change your mind about buying the land?
If your story wouldn't influence my decision, I would have paid already.
Okay. My father, my mother and I, we were living happily. I don't know what happened, but I grew up knowing Auntie Ozzy as my father's wife and my late mother's sister. My father maltreated my mother, maltreated her badly. There was never a day I saw my mother smile. She cried all through in the hands of my father. He maltreated my mother. He did her wrong, but was very nice to Auntie Ozzy and her daughter Dabere. Rumor has it that Auntie Ozzy used charm on my father.
Really? Did she really use charm on him?
I wouldn't be surprised because my father was a beast to my mother, but an angel to Auntie Ozzy and Dabere. He never took care of her. He also made it compulsory that she would be the one feeding the family. So my mother always go to the farm to make sure she feed the family. This continued until she couldn't take it anymore. She took her own life.
What?
Yes. 2 years after, my father died of heart attack.
Oh my God.
It automatically became my duty of taking care of the family. So I've always gone to that farm. That farm is all I have. And all I have lived for. Please. Please do not buy it. Please, I'm begging you, do not buy that land, please. Please. Please, I beg you. Please. Please.
It's okay.
The sun has risen, the light is here, the storm is still.
My clothes!
Daluchi, where are you coming from?
My clothes!
Where are you coming from?
Auntie Ozzy, these are just the few clothes I am managing. And now you've burnt them. Now you've burnt them.
Will you shut up your mouth? If you don't keep shut now, I will throw you into this fire and make sure you burn to ashes and continue your suffering in hellfire. You know? Answer my question. Where are you coming from? You don't even.
Achebe's friend came to see me.
And for what?
He just asked me a question.
Daluchi, let this be the last time I will ever see you anywhere near Williams and Kelechi. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, Mama.
Mama, don't bother yourself.
After all, there are no more clothes for her to wear. And use these as 2 legs to go and see Kelechi.
Yes, you're right. Maybe I should even remove this one.
This very one.
No, Mama, no.
Remove it!
No, Mama, because then Mama.
Daluchi!
I said,
Okay, you turn it this way.
Remember, I was 6-0.
Let me teach you how to play this game, bro.
6-0. You don't want anymore.
Don't worry. Okay.
Last card.
What? Last what?
Card.
What? And just look at. I was close.
You're lucky.
Oh. Achebe,
Yes, Williams.
do you know that I can't believe I've been missing out of all this village life all my life? It's indeed fun.
Yes, it is. Village is actually interesting. I don't know why people prefer living in the city or abroad more than living in the village. Why? You like it, Mama?
It's nice.
I'll get you more. You take to the city.
Oh, Kelechi is here.
Oh, Kelechi.
Well, that's so nice. It tastes so nice.
Alright, I'll get you a full keg to the city.
Guy, what's up?
Can you get another land?
Why?
Because the real owner does not want to sell it.
You spoke with Daluchi.
I told you I would.
Why now, Kelechi? Why?
I should ask you the same question.
Why?
So you knew about that girl's story and you still wanted to cheat her?
No, Kelechi, I'm trying to give you the cheapest land in the community.
I do not need such land for my business.
Guy, that land is perfect.
The only thing that will make that land perfect is if the rightful owner is willing to sell it.
So, Achebe, you mean Williams wants to see me?
Yes, nah. I thought you said you like him. I told him and I delivered your message.
So, what did he say?
He said he likes you, that I would like to see you too.
He likes me?
Yes.
Hey, Achebe, oh. Achebe, I didn't know you can be this useful, no? No, I mean to say you are useful. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Like, you will see me. Yes. Okay, now, I'm ready now.
Okay, you know what, just comport yourself.
Okay.
While I go to call him.
Okay.
Relax, let me go and call him.
Okay.
Wait,
okay.
relax.
Okay. Faster. Achebe! My nigga. Come on, please. Hey. Amara weds Williams in America. Hey, God, thank you. Amara. Hey, God has turned everything around. God, thank you. Good. Okay, so I should comport myself. Need to adjust this brow well. Just it well. I will have to see this. Okay.
Auntie Ozi and Dabiri burnt all my clothes.
What? But why?
Because Kelechi came to see me. I've been able to talk to Kelechi. Okay? And I think He's changing his mind.
How?
He won't be buying the land.
Sorry. Put another one.
I should find another one.
Put another one.
Okay.
Thank you.
It's okay. Is it okay?
Feel it, feel it, feel it. It's sweet.
Oh my God.
Thank you.
Wow. Actually, you told me that you've taken interest in me. One of the reasons I came back home is to care myself a good wife. And I think I like you.
You do?
Yes.
Thank you.
I need that woman I'll be going back with to my base.
You mean to America?
Yes.
I am available.
I know you're available. But see, the earlier I finish with my projects here in the village,
Okay.
I'll be flying back to my base with you. But you have to help me.
What do you want me to do? Just mention it and I will do it.
Really?
Yes, I promise.
Convince your girlfriend to sell the land to us. Are you okay?
Yes, I am.
That's okay. Oh. Are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Amara.
Daluchi, why don't you just sell this land now? Yes. You know, that will fetch you a lot of money. That will even take you away from this village. And also away from Auntie Ozioma and Dabere.
Why are you talking like this, Amara? You know what that land means to me. You know it.
Oh, so you are going to be stuck in this village because of a land? Even your mother wouldn't want that from you. I mean, opportunity doesn't come twice. And you know it. Make good use of this opportunity.
I will not sell it.
Babe, why they fall my hand now? Why?
Amara, why are you even taking this too personal? Why? See, all I need now is clothes to put on. Can you please help me with some?
I will give you clothes when you decide to sell the land.
Amara, please, can you just stop this joke? Stop it.
I am not joking with you. I'm serious here. Think about it.
Amara.
Welcome.
Hey.
Hi.
I want to take you somewhere to, chill, relax, and cool off. Go put on something.
My mother must not see us together. Please, you have to go now.
Come on, so stop that.
I don't have any clothes to wear. She burnt all my clothes because she saw us talking.
What? How could she?
are you?
Good. Could you please help me call Daluchi?
I don't know.
Oh. I got you clothes.
You did?
Yes. I do not know your size or taste, but I'm sure one or two should fit.
Taste. Do I even have a taste? I know there'll be consequences following this, but I can't continue walking around in just wrapper. I'll pay you back.
Come on, it's a gift.
This is the first time I'm hearing this.
Pardon?
No one has ever given me a gift.
I'm glad to be the first. And I'll keep gifting you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I think you have to go before my aunt comes back.
What difference does it make? Her daughter already saw me.
It's better than she meeting you here. Please.
Will you be fine?
Yes. Yes.
Take care.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.
So tell me, what do you think life would have been if your mother were to be alive?
I don't think I have rights to choices, but I know living with Auntie Ozzy and Dabere wouldn't have made things easier or better for me.
So, what were you going to do? Run?
I tried it once, but my friend stopped me.
To where? Lagos?
Heaven or hell. Kelechi, suicide is real. Depression is real. You will never understand until you walk in their shoes. I used to judge my mother, but until I walked in her shoes.
I can't say for sure that I know how you feel. Like you said, I haven't walked in your shoes. But look at me. I know our meeting wasn't coincidence. It is destiny.
Why are you knocking at my door like that? Auntie Ozzy, I greet you. Well, I came with a vital information for you.
What is it?
Auntie Ozzy, do you know that Daluchi has been able to convince Kelechi not to buy the land anymore? Oh, you don't even know about it. speak now, do you know Kelechi is no longer interested in buying the land?
Eh? Huh? Mama, what do I risk you? You have to do something about it. Huh?
Amarachi, are you sure of what I just said now?
Why will I come to lie to you? I don't understand. See, Auntie Ozi, Kelechi is now aware that the land rightfully belongs to Daluchi. Yes, and he is only willing to buy the land if she is willing to sell to him. So you see, you really have to convince her. You really have to convince her to sell the land.
What? Chelekene, wait. Come to think of it, why are you the one telling us this? Yes, why? Because the last time I checked, you both were both of friends. So why are you the one telling us?
Taberi, use your head now. You should be concerned about how to convince Daluchi to sell the land. Instead of being concerned about whether she's my friend or not. I don't understand. Wait, who friend help? See, ma tell you, at least friend self suppose get her own share. No be so? Now. Auntie Ozi, see, you have to do something about it. Because there is no time at all. I say, let me come and tell you people, as a good friend to the family. Eh? So please, no time. I beg to take my leave. All right.
Mama, did you hear all that she just said?
So, Daluchi now thinks he's clever, isn't it? Let her go and come back and meet me in this house.
Mama, you have to do something, no? I said it. I said it. That girl should have killed herself since long.
So Daluchi now thinks she's wise.
Mama, you have to think, oh. You have to think, oh.
Let me do the thinking now. Let me do the thinking.
Mama, tie it very well.
Abumamas.
Here you are, Mama.
You miscreant! You want to play smart one on me, Okuya? Eh? You want to play smart one on me? Now tell me, is it true you talking to Kelechi about that land? I'm asking you! You don't want to talk? Are you ready to talk? Are you ready to talk? Are you ready to talk? Talk now! Talk!
Are you mad? Are you not the one my mother is talking to? Eh? Or have you suddenly gone dumb that you can no longer speak? Idiot.
Come, Daluchi. Don't try to spoil my plan, because if you spoil my plan, I'll make sure I send you to your early grave. Eh? Don't try me, because if you spoil Williams and Kelechi's mind about that land, you are a dead person. Eh? Are you listening to me? Say something. Mama. You don't want to talk. You don't want to talk. Mama. I'll just kill you with my bare hands. Eh? Now,
Mama, ebuzinoge.
Sachonya anya.
Ebuzinoge, Kenya can say kewu.
Mama, please, Mama, please.
Are you ready to talk now?
Please.
Are you ready to talk?
Please,
Shut up. Shut up.
Tie that thing behind though. Tie it behind so that she won't have access to it.
Mama, Stop. Don't call my mother again. She's not your mother. Your mother knows where she is. Idiot. Very Get girl. You don't want us to sell us the land. Idiot. Daughter of a
Mama, I don't understand what you talk. What did you just say?
You heard me right.
Heard what?
I thought say no marriage if your friends don't buy my land.
What has the land got to do with me marrying Daberi?
Everything, oh, everything. Not be you take your mouth, tell me say your friends they come from abroad, they carry plenty money, then go buy the land. You even take your mouth, tell me how much they go buy them.
But who can say they no go buy them? And this is not by our agreement. You don't come out for our agreement. Oh.
No.
I don't understand what they talk.
What you tell me talk? How I come out? I say if your friends buy the land, there'll be marriage.
Ah, Madabiri. Now what you define? Oh, everywhere go choke. Oh, people go full here. Oh, blood go surplus. Oh, now money matter be this. And the verse. And they tell you me the verse.
You the verse. Make I begin fear you.
Now money matter be. I don't joke with my money. I don't joke with my money. And how much I've been giving you? I've been investing in this.
Listen, make I tell you, if you like, make you threaten my life. I no one know. Me, I sit there for the agreement. I say if they buy the land, you go marry my daughter. I say you don't go marry him. You go marry him.
All this on a long thing. If you want give me that berry, give me that berry. If you want sell land, sell land.
If your friends when you talk with your mouth say they go buy the, if they buy the land, I go give you my daughter. If they not buy the land, no marriage.
Man, berry now what I go give you? You're working out on me.
I dey fear you.
Ah. No wahala now. Everywhere go smell. No problem now. For my money, this compound. Ta. Me. Achebe. I swear. I go smoke the compound. Everywhere go spoil. Me. Ah.
Mama, won't you go and cook? I'm very, very hungry. Yeah. Mama, if you know you're not going to cook anything for me to eat, why not release Daluchi now, Let her do the cooking afterwards. She can continue with her punishment. Me, I'm very, very hungry.
See your mom. Me, I would rather do the cooking than release that girl for 1 second. She's bad luck. No, Kele. Welcome. Welcome. Come get in the chair.
No. It's okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
This one you are here early. I hope you brought good news.
I am here to see Daluchi.
Daluchi? What? I don't know. I'm Mama Bono. In fact, she's not in this whole village. I don't know where she went to.
I'm not here.
What? Where did she go to?
Why don't you forget everything about Daluchi and then face the business that brought you to this village? Is it not to buy land? Our land.
KK. And if you need a wife,
look, my daughter is available.
I'm
She's
here.
beautiful.
Yes.
About the land. I thought Achebe would have told you. I am no longer buying it.
Huh?
Yeah.
But why now? Okay, is it because of Daluchi?
Mama, put yourself in that girl's shoes for once. If someone had done to you what you did to that girl, what would your life have been?
Okay, I see. She has told you history. Okay.
Mama, try. Try to use your conscience. Tell Daluchi I was here. Excuse me.
Mama, from what he said here, he's not buying that land again, no.
I will make Daluchi sell that land. And I'll make sure I collect every dime from her. All he needs is more torture.
More torture, Mama. I know what you can do.
Of course, you know I always have my way. Idiot.
But Mama, I'm still very, very hungry.
Will you shut up your mouth? Can't you cook? Eh? Can't you cook?
Did you teach me how to cook?
Why didn't you teach yourself how to cook?
Mama!
Go and stop disturbing here with nonsense food. Useless girl. There's something you can do for yourself. Baby, come and suck my breast. I was suffering for you since I gave birth to you. Eh? Food you cannot cook. You can't even wash your own clothes. Get yourself a husband, you cannot. You are waiting for me to do everything for you. You don't even know how to lure a man to come and ask for your hand in marriage. Nonsense. Idiot. And equator is my business. In our common funny. What else do you know how to do except to eat? Morning, afternoon, night. And in between meals too. And I'm here thinking about how to make money, real money, do good business. Now bombard my head with stupid things.
What's all this bullshit about? What's all this bullshit about? This is what we came to the village for?
Williams.
Huh? Williams what?
Just listen to me. Listen to me, okay? Look, I know that we came to this village for business.
Good. We should focus on business. That girl's personal life shouldn't be your business.
I'm just concerned about her. Please try to understand.
Are you in love with this girl?
Love? Well, whether it is love or not, I don't care. But what I know is that I will not abandon her in this condition.
Oh, now it's not just about the land. You feel responsible for her?
Williams, maybe I should tell you about this girl. Then you will understand.
I think you should, because I need to understand why you're behaving the way you're behaving.
Hey! Eh? So this is where you are, Daluchi. You see your life? I advised you to sell the land, but you were proving too stubborn. I don't understand. Is it until you starve yourself to death? Eh? Sell this land. What is your problem? See, let me give you a piece of advice as your good friend that I am. Sell this land. Eh? Don't prove too stubborn.
Well, Daluchi, you heard your best friend. If I were you, I would take her advice. You know why? The earlier you sell that land, the earlier you get your freedom. At the end of the day, if you die in here, the land will still be sold.
Of course.
So if you're wise, Ilenya,
and listen, let me tell you, I have a very big opportunity in front of me, so I will not let you ruin it. So you have to do what is right to sell the land. The earlier the better. Please, I'm leaving.
Okay, let me see you off then.
Willy.
Hey, Amara.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I brought you food.
Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was very, very thoughtful of you.
You're welcome. That reminds me. Willie, I'm sorry I've not been able to convince Daluchi concerning...
That won't be necessary anymore.
What do you mean that won't be necessary anymore?
Because my friend and I won't buy the land anymore. Amara, can you tell me where Daluchi is?
I don't know.
Listen, we know you know. This girl has been missing for the past few days now. Just tell us if you know her whereabouts.
I said I don't know.
You don't know? See.
And you still take me to America?
Sure, I'm gonna do that. I'll do that. I've already started processing your visa. Wicked woman. I say shame on you. Shame! Shame on you.
Big shame.
Shame on you.
Big shame. Shame on you too. Shame on you too. Idiot.
I'm ready to think you're going. Where do you think you're going?
Williams, I'm coming with you now.
Listen, I don't ever want to see you again. I said I don't...
Williams! No. Williams! Williams, please now. This is the agreement. Daluchi. Now. Williams! Now, this was one from... Oh. Williams!
What is that about? What's about? Idiot! Where are you running? You should have stayed now. Can't hear you more now. I'm
One more piano idiot. Oh, you see. Like mother, like daughter. How can they say them? Beliru Belas.
Just imagine.
Eh? Oh, well, I could call on Cane, Kunko, what I call on Cane.
Miru Nabo.
Oh, no, she will. He can never can take him on. That stupid boy looked into my eyes and said, shame on me.
Imagine.
Hey!
To my own mother.
Hey! Oh, couple can tell you more. I'm not around. Eh? It's shame on you and your unborn generation. Oh, no, God.
Amen.
Hey! What if I'm a mouth?
Mama, wait, oh. They have taken her away.
Let them take her away now. If they take her away, I'll get it back. Let them take her away. By the time they finish with her, let her know that she is now homeless. She cannot come back here. Me tie mom na tie gogo. Pia nya pia. One no around idiot. See how she just hey. If I bem no fail. If I bem no nini anapo wala no.
The same thing that I'm saying, Mama. How will now be cooking for us? Is it not?
Mama! As you know, apart from
you are talking about shut up. You just said ni.
Afon ni mo, wo yo say ma. Also ni ototo ni na efe ni na yas. To get a husband you can't. He begin me ma mehu. You know na school ni, you know no ni. Swa. And the kuku millions of naira na lose. Ina akako ni oku table nsi ko obo. Abura nsi anyo. Hey.
Mama, go bring her back.
Which one say? Ha! Near them non fair, near them non. Ah! Biamu son biaka kulie go ni jeli nonsense ama. Hey! It is not over. Opani again here. Okay, we'll go like that. Hey!
The sun has risen, the light has come, the storm is over.
I wonder what would have happened to me if you guys didn't come for my rescue.
I'm glad we could help.
Honestly, that your aunt is very wicked.
Yes. She's very wicked. She's a witch. She's demonic. I beg. I'm sorry, guys. I know I was on her side before, my mother buried. I was just there because I was interested in marrying her daughter, but now I don't want to marry her anymore because I just realized myself because I was being stupid. I didn't even know what I was thinking. And was I? Yes. This reminds me. I have an unfinished bill of Mama Dabere. I must show a lesson in this community. I will show who I am. That me, Achebe, no, she go collect.
Well, I have decided to sell the land to you.
Really?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Very sure. I want to sell it. I don't want to remain in this village.
Well, in that case, our initial offer was for $5,000. But now I'm going to give you $6,000.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Oh, come on.
Thank you.
Come on.
It's okay. Daluchi, your days of pain and sorrows are over. Okay? I will do my best to make you as happy as possible.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Oh,
Thank
come
you.
on.
I'm
It's
grateful.
nothing.
Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Come out, oh. Where is switch? I need my money back. I don't want to marry your daughter. I need my money. Give me my money. Achebe is here. I need my money. Give me my money. Where is they? Come out! Winch! Give me back my money. Where are you? My God. Give me back my money, oh. I don't want to marry your daughter. Give me back my money. Where you dey? Come out. Say no charge your name. I go blow you everywhere for this compound today. I go know the person dey first. Ha! Ta! Where they dey?
Mama, that is cutlass in his hand. Did you not see it?
What does he want to do with it?
Do I know?
Does he want to behead us?
I don't know, Mama. Eh?
This is trouble. What have I put myself?
There is trouble indeed, Mama. But wait, what were you thinking when you were collecting money from that senseless boy?
Oh, shut up your mouth. Shut up, you stupid girl. You're always trying to lay blame on other people. You, uncle, were you not there when I was collecting it? Did I collect any money behind you?
I did not give you the idea to collect the money.
But we were sharing the money. We were eating it together. Why are you trying to extricate yourself now from it? Nonsense.
Mama, that boy doesn't have sense. Oh. That boy doesn't have sense at all. You have to give him back his money. Ha!
What did I bring upon myself? With what kind of shame and disgrace is this? Eh? What have I done? Eh? When did I even... What was I even thinking when I gave him your hand?
What you were thinking is your greed, Mama. It's your greed now, yes.
Wow. Shut up your mouth. There'll be double war here. You'll be fighting and I will fight you. What is this nonsense for?
Give me back my money, oh. Eh? Where they dey? Where they dey? Give me back my money. I don't want to marry again. Give me my money. Give me back my money. I don't want to marry again. Give me back my money. Where are they? Give me my money. Come out. Tabere, where's your mother, the witch? All of you come back. Give me back my money. Eh? Where are they? Where are they? Give me back my money. Eh? Oh! Oh! I'm getting mad. I can't.
Now that we have successfully purchased the land and everything in order, we'll be sending you funds for the project.
No problem. That's why you have me here.
Achebe, we are trusting you for the last time.
No problem.
You have changed.
I'm sorry.
Achebe, and I would also want to say thank you for having us.
You're very welcome.
I'm gonna miss you.
Kelechi, don't forget what to promise you.
Willie. Williams, thank God you're here. I thought you've left me. Let's be going now. Open the boots. Open the boots.
I don't understand.
What do you mean you don't understand? We had a deal and I've played my part. So it's now time for you to play your own part. Let's go now. I've played my
Yes! A betrayal. I said you are a betrayal.
Williams! Williams, so you deceived me!
Bye-bye.
Williams! Williams, please! Williams!
Hey! Hey! Jay! You never cheat on Jay. Better leave my compound now before I change my mind for you. It shock you? It shock you? Everywhere choke, Abi. Fiancé. Look at girl, make it feeling fucky. Better leave my compound, though. Hey! Hey! Bye-bye!
God.